Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Ruckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, April the 12th. Deja vu all over again. Markets just like Friday, open higher, closed on the lows. Even the S&P was down 0.25%, 2035 down 6 points after getting as high as 2057 on the session when it gapped open higher, sold off from there. Dow futures down 0.1%, down 12 points, 17,473, giving up gains as well. And the leading loser was the Nasdaq 100, down 0.33%, 44.51, right smack in the middle of our range right now, down 16 points on the day. Been trading between 4,400 and 4,500 for the last 10 sessions, which is 2 weeks of trade. The big move was in the dollar. The dollar went down below 94. 93.94 was a close, down 31. 93.75 was a low. So that supported some of these commodities markets. That dollar push gave the euro currency a bump to the upside. 114.33 up 14. The high there 114.69 with 115 up above. Treasuries were steady, 166 level, and crude was on the move with that weaker dollar. Up 0.5% yesterday, up 65 cents, solidly above $40 a barrel at 40.35. The session high was 40.75. Gold was also on the move, leading the way on the day, up 1%, up $14 at 12.58. So after the mixed action yesterday, but the bounce in some of the commodities markets, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? We're positive in the stock indexes. Earnings season has started unofficially. Alcoa announced they're down 4% in the pre-market after some weakness projected for 2016. Looking at the other stocks, right now the S&P is up 5 points, up about 0.25% right now at 2039. The Dow futures are up 25, 17,497, and the Nasdaq up 10 at 44.61 with 4,500 up above. Keep an eye on JP Morgan. Those earnings come out tomorrow morning. Going to set the tone with the financials. You've got JP Morgan, Bank of America, and all the other big boys coming out in the next few days. That'll affect any financial positions in the banks that aren't expecting much, have a very, very low bar set as far as earnings expectations. We'll see what the reality is. The dollar's unchanged right now at 93.95, 93.62, new relative lows there in the dollar in the overnight session. The euro currency right now is pretty steady, 114.25, actually down 9 ticks. Treasuries are off 0.5% right now, down 22 in the 30-year note. 165.13 is the price. Now what that's done is keeping a little lid on yields right now, 2.59 on the 30-year, and right smack in the middle, 176 in that 10-year note, where we've been trading in the long term between 2% and 1.5%. Crude oil is pushing to the upside once again with that weaker dollar, up 40 cents right now, 40.75, back to yesterday's highs. That's a 0.2% boost. And gold continuing its upside run, up $3 at 12.61. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, up about 0.25% in the stock indexes, up 5 in the S&P, 25 in the Dow, and 10 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Ruckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.